Hello guys, welcome back with another video. Today we're going to be upgrading the RAM out of my Dell Optiplex 790 small form factor PC. So originally it has 4 gigs of RAM, 2 gigabyte RAM sticks, one Samsung, one Crucial. We're going to be upgrading it to this PC3 HP RAM, 4 gigabytes each, so totals out to about 8 gigabytes of RAM. So first you want to do is remove this cover right here by pulling this up and flipping that over. Just set that off towards the side. Sorry about the loud music. My sister is doing something very loud in her room. But you want to pull back these levers. You want to pull the RAM stick out. See, this one is the focus. This one is the Samsung RAM stick. You want to do the same thing to the other side. Pull back these little levers, and the RAM should just pop out. This is Crucial. And then you want to put in the new RAM sticks. Oh, come on. It'd be so difficult. This is hard to do with one hand. Basically just slide it in there. Push it down on both sides until you hear a pop. And then it's securely in. If you want to do the same thing, make sure you put it both on the same side. You'll have dual channel if you do. You want to do the same thing to the other side. I'm going to move this SATA cable out the way. Alright. You want to make sure it lines up both ways. Make sure it's evenly on. You want to push it down and hear those 2 clicks. You want to put the back cover back on. We're going to pause the video right here. Alright, and we're back. We're just going to turn on the system and wait for it to boot up. Now when you see this little message on the screen, alert, the amount of system memory has changed. To continue, press F1. To change up setup options, press F2. To run onboard diagnostics, press F3. If you just want to continue, press F1, and it's going to put you straight into the setup. And yes, I'm running Windows 10. Sorry this is taking a while. I'm running a hard drive. Alright. Please wait. This usually takes about a minute or two. And we're back. So you just want to go into your PC. Just wait for it to sign on. Alright, and then check the system. You want to press Control Alt and delete. Put the phone down real quick, get to it. This message will pop up. And then you want to go to Task Manager to check your new RAM. Just click X on that. So basically, you just gotta wait for it to load. Usually it takes about a second or two. But then you want to go to here. There's your new RAM. So you're using 1333 megahertz. 2 out of the 4 slots used. A total. Okay, so I got 6.3 gigabytes left. And then in use is about 1.5 gigs. But in total we have about 8 gigs of RAM, 8 gigs of DDR3 right here up in the corner. We have a 500 gigabyte hard drive and a Core i3 2100 with a boost clock of 3.1 gigahertz, 2 cores and 4 threads. It's a really good computer for what it is. Alright guys, thank you for watching the video. Please like and subscribe to see more.